Do it. The whole thing, the whole thing, the whole thing.
Come closer.
No, wait. Okay, go.
Come closer. I need a daily.
Because I ripped my pants.
Because I ripped my pants. Again.
What? That's not what he says.
It's not?
No, see Sandy's part 2 of the whole thing. He goes, come closer to. What is it that you need? What's SpongeBob?
What's SpongeBob? What is it that you need, boy?
Boy!
Doesn't he say that? Who? Boy? The fish guy? Well, they're all
No.
fucking fish, but...
No, not Sandy.
Not
Sandy's
Mr.
a fucking
Krabs.
squirrel, man.
Okay,
What is
go.
she doing underwater?
She fucking is like an astronaut, dude. Do you see her freaking costume? Shit!
Yeah, but
What don't you understand? Fucker!
it's only a costume. Mr. Heated.
Okay, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Come closer.